Service in Brownsville has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for poor drainage areas for central Cameron County in deep South Texas until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding. Overflowing poor drainage areas will result in minor flooding in the advisory area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include San Benito, Fresnos, Rancho, Viejo, Hondo, Southmost, Olmito, La Paloma, Cameron Park, downtown Brownsville and Brownsville. Additional rainfall of up to 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. This includes the following highways: Interstate Highway 69 east between mile markers 1 and 20. US Highway 281 between mile markers 826 and 838. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.